is Alice Lee. Now let me introduce the Soundking latest active coaxial B steering speakers for you. Okay, this is our latest model, Ray series. These speakers equipped with 8 pieces 6.5-inch speakers, 32 one-nail magnet in front of it, become a coaxial design. Each speaker equipped with its own amplifiers, so DSP can control each speaker's directivity very well. Okay, now let me check its software. The software can control the sound's directivity very well. It can arrive everywhere you want to arrive. Thank you. Welcome to visit Soundking's booth at 2.5A52, and welcome to visit www.soundking.com to find more company and our new products information. Thank you.